In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin gaining ground on Bank of America, and is Chainlink ready to crash? What's going on, guys? Randy here with another daily crypto video. So I'm going to get into Bitcoin first and then some Chainlink. But let's go check out the markets to see what's going on. And speaking of Chainlink, it's up to the number 6 spot, passing Litecoin, Bitcoin SV, Cardano over on CoinGecko. So Chainlink's up at $12.84, 65% over the past 7 days, 27% in 24 hours. Insane. Its competitor band is also making some crazy moves up the charts. Just in 24 hours, Bang Protocol is up 48%, NXM up 43%, Nest Protocol 41%, but Link also on a tear. Let's go and look at some losers for the day. Ampleforth is just going down. It's not doing too hot. Maybe we'll make a video on that and see what's going on. Yahoo Finance is down. DX Chain down. Ren, Elron, Compound all down a little bit today. Let's go take a look at some other coins here on the next page. See what's going on from 101 to the 200 range. All right, so 24-hour winner is Zap, 81%. Sora up 64% in the day. Wink, Just, Teller, all up. It seems like anything that's Oracle related is just flying high. Teller, DOS Network, Dia, the new Oracle solution, is also making some great gains. And let's take a look at some losers on this page. IDEX down 10%. Reserve Rights Token down 4.5%. MadeSafe, Aurora. All right, so let's get into Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin is almost as big as Bank of America, which is pretty insane. So all the speculative capital invested in Bitcoin at the moment totals just a few $billions shy of Bank of America's market valuation. Bitcoin's current market cap sits just over $217 billion, according to Cointelegraph data at press time, while Yahoo Finance shows Bank of America's market cap holding slightly over $226 billion. A comparison introduced in a recent article from the Next Web. So Bitcoin's market cap is climbing in comparison. Although it has endured its fair share of dramatic price fluctuations, Bitcoin's price has grown substantially in 2020, rising past several different wealth comparisons along the way. Back in March, just before COVID-19 measures turned the world on its head, the United States Central Bank pumped the economy with $168 billion in capital. At the time, Bitcoin's market cap held near $145 billion. In April, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos touted a net worth of approximately $140 billion, with Bitcoin's market cap near $130 billion. On paper, it seemed Bezos could have bought all the Bitcoin in circulation with a few billion to spare, although the mass purchase would likely prove impossible in real life due to factors such as rising prices and liquidity. Since then, Bezos' net worth has reached a staggering $193 billion. Bitcoin's valuation, however, remains higher, near $217 billion. The asset could reach astronomical heights. That's what we're all waiting for and hoping for. So on August 4th, crossover podcast episode with Peter McCormick, host of the What Bitcoin Did podcast, Morgan Creek Digital co-founder Anthony Pompliano recently forecasted a future Bitcoin market cap of more than 80 or 90 trillion at some point before the end of time. Pompliano, however, said he was unsure if Bitcoin would reach such a market cap within his lifetime. A longtime Bitcoin advocate, Pompliano has stated his position many times on Bitcoin, as an asset uncorrelated with mainstream markets. So pretty crazy to think that little old Bitcoin is right behind such a massive, powerful bank like Bank of America. Bitcoin is the real deal, as we know. All right, so Chainlink making crazy moves. This article was put out earlier today by Crypto Briefing. Chainlink screams sell despite new highs. So at the time of this writing, there was Chainlink was trending upwards and was able to hit a new all-time high of $10.30. Right now, it's sitting at what did we say? I think it's sitting at about $12 and some change. Let's take a peek here. Sitting at $12.93, unbelievable. Just flirting with that $13 mark. Who would have ever thought? And hey, there's much more room to grow for Chainlink. It will probably be a top 3 to 4 project here before you know it. But so regardless, multiple fundamental and technical indexes are flashing sell signals across the board. A spike in the selling pressure behind Link could see it pull back to $8 or lower. And if it did, I think people would jump on that like there's no tomorrow. I mean, if it got down to 8, it probably wouldn't last long, because people that maybe have been waiting because it's been a high price at $12, $13 or 10. If it comes back to 8, it's going to be a huge buying opportunity. Decentralized Oracle token Chainlink stole the crypto spotlight after outperforming most digital assets this quarter. Despite new all-time highs, different on-chain and technical metrics showed that Link is ready to retrace. So Chainlink's recent upswing turned heads, especially considering that many traders thought Link was already overbought. Data reveals that the number of Link-related mentions on different social media networks surged dramatically. The numbers suggest the market has entered FOMO around Chainlink. I think that's without a doubt. I mean, that's for all oracles right now. It just seems like if you say that if your project says that you're an oracle solution, just like DeFi projects are the same. They're like, people are just buying into it. So yeah, I think there's FOMO for Chainlink and all of oracles. The rising chatter around the decentralized oracles token allowed it to move to the number 1 spot on Sentiment's emerging trends list. Nonetheless, the high level of notoriety is not necessarily a good sign, according to Dino Ibisebegovic, head of content and SEO at Sentiment. And then you can see the latest trends here. The word link, trending score is 395. Social volume 24 hours, 1595. Okay, so the analyst maintains that when the crowd pays increased attention to a cryptocurrency in line with pumping prices, then that movement is usually followed by a steep correction. And it would probably be healthy if it pulled back a bit. Indeed, Link's uptrend appears to have reached exhaustion after investors became overwhelmingly bullish about its price action. Since the peak, this cryptocurrency is down nearly 3.7%, and a widely known technical index estimates that it could fall further. So these sell signals, the TD sequential indicator supports the thesis that Chainlink is bound for a steep correction. This technical index presented sell signals in the form of green 9 candlesticks on Link's 1 week, 1 day, and 12-hour charts. Although the bearish formation has yet to be formed on the daily chart, the near-term future does not look good for the bulls. All right, so yeah, let's go over this here real quick. So the Chainlink network is shrinking. Some of the most prominent analysts in the industry argue that since Chainlink is still in price discovery mode, as such, the bullish outlook cannot be taken out of the question. Still, there is another crucial fundamental metric that indicates trouble. The number of new daily addresses joining the network has been declining while prices have been trending up. This sort of bearish divergence between prices and network growth can be considered an extremely bearish signal, according to Brian Quinlivan, marketing and social media director at Sentiment. Quinlivan maintains that network growth is one of the most accurate price foreshadowers. The increase in users' adoption over time can help observers understand the health and well-being of any given cryptocurrency. Given the bearish signals previously mentioned and the rate at which Chainlink's network growth is declining, investors must stay cautious. If sell orders begin to pile up, Link would likely be bound for a wild ride down. So what do you guys think of this? Are you expecting a wild pullback? If so, let's say it falls down to $8, are you going to be stacking more Links? Do you think it's actually going to pull back that far? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you like this video, make sure that you smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. One more thing, real quick here. So if you guys have not downloaded the Brave browser yet, it is just like Google Chrome, except it blocks ads and trackers. So far in the last 4 months, it has blocked 289,621 ads and trackers, and also has saved me 4 hours of time by using this browser. And on top of that, the best part is I've earned 19 basic attention tokens just for using the Brave browser and clicking on ads like this down here in the left-hand corner. Every time I click one of those ads, I get paid in basic attention token. So far, last month for July, I earned $4.91, and that is just on my laptop. I've earned about the same on my mobile phone as well. When BAT hits its all-time high again of close to $1, this is going to be worth $19 in some change. So not bad for just using the internet like normal. You're getting paid in basic attention token. Link for Brave down in the description below. I will see you guys tomorrow.